Hello and welcome on the online platform of Doon IS Academy. So finally the procrastination is over. UPSC has announced the new date of prelims 2020. The prelims, as you know well, was supposed to be on 31st of May 2020. Now it will be on 4th of October 2020. It's a great news, it's a good news. Now you have 4 new months for your studies. And majorly, why I am here. What I mean to tell you is, in the previous 70 days, rather more than that, what I feel you have had a thorough study of all the subjects. And I expect that, like everyone in the nation or across the world, you have had a thorough study of yourself. So, this is the basic thing. After 23 years of my professional career, after teaching more than 1 lakh students, the basic principle of success which I can tell you is knowing yourself, knowing thyself, knowing own self, looking into own self. Now it looks very simple, but this is the basic formula, the basic rule of any kind of success. Be it an IAS examination, IIT, medical, or be it the toughest examination, life. See, who are you? Know yourself. When I ask the simple question, who are you? Generally and obviously, students and other people reply, hi, I am Ramesh, I am Anita. It's your name. Is that you? This is pen or these are spectacles. By this, may I or may you know the capacity, the ability of this pen or these spectacles. When I go deep, when I ask again, the more they can say, they just produce their curriculum vitae. But I don't mean to look into your degrees, be it graduate or 12th. I mean to know you, your strengths, your weaknesses. See the degree you carry, the pen you carry, the spectacles you carry is not you. The process of owning, acquiring, attaining that particular degree, has it transformed you? That is more important question. For example, your eye is looking a dream of being an IAS officer, and your brain is looking towards the eye, watching that dream. Your mind is watching the brain. Your wisdom is watching the mind, the various moods of your mind. And then your conscience, it is watching all. The conscience within you, the deep within you, the original you which knows actually all about you, has to come in front of you. The problem is, we never confront our weaknesses because we feel it will make us ashamed. Don't be ashamed. You are not the God. You haven't made you. Everyone, you, me, or anyone, any human being on this earth, are an equation of strength plus weaknesses. If you hide your weaknesses, then they will develop in a multiple manner within yourself, and they will kill you one day. On the other hand, if you know your weaknesses, then you will overcome them. You will develop your strength, and with the help of your conscience, your original being, if you are able to confront your weaknesses, to know your original self, then definitely you are going to be a very successful person in the life. Because All these trivial things, being an IAS officer or an IHN or a doctor, lies on the first step of the stair of knowing own self. Then you can do anything. Then a tea boy could be Narendra Modi. Then Naren could be Swami Vivekananda. Then you could be Gautam Buddha, Lord Mahavira, or anyone. The journey begins within you. You are already great. You are already marvelous. You are superb. The thing is, you don't understand yourself. You don't reach to yourself. Let me simplify. Have you ever noticed while watching yourself in the mirror, generally everyone used to create the best of its shape? You look like this. The best shape of the face, the best shape of a body, tummy inside, chest outside, and so on. That is your virtual being. That is what actually you want to look like. But can you carry that particular shape for 24 hours? In front of everyone for 12 months? It's not possible. So pretending yourself, what you not actually are, is the main reason of failure. Not accepting what you actually are is the main reason of failure. Have you seen a war? You must have seen in the films, TV series like Mahabharata and all. What happens in a war? There is a group of soldiers, and in front of that there is another group of soldiers of the enemy. So now imagine this is the group of soldiers of your strength, and this is the group of soldiers of a weakness. If they are confronting each other, undoubtedly, gradually, all these soldiers of your strength will kill each and every soldier of your weakness. Other way round. Think if these soldiers of weaknesses are standing behind all those soldiers of your strength, how subtle they may be, how minute they may be, they will definitely kill all the soldiers of your strength because they are attacking from the back, because you have closed your eyes, because you are not accepting them. So this is the major issue. Confront your weaknesses and you will get rid of them. Know your original being. Accept yourself. If you will not accept yourself, who is going to accept you? This is a major thing. Then you know well, hard work, consistency, everything you know. But this is the basic formula of every kind of success, that you should know yourself first. Who you are, where you are, what you can do, what is your strength, what is your weakness. Don't avoid yourself. If you avoid yourself, everyone is going to avoid you. Think deep. Know yourself first and start the journey today. Thank you so much.